Hey, it's Sonia, and I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to find these icons in Canva. I'll just show you how I've used them in the past. Well, actually, this one here is a spray tan template, and for every post-tan aftercare instruction, I've popped in an icon, and it just makes it a little bit easier to read, and the eye goes straight to, well, it says avoid water, the clothing, the showering, the moisturizing. It sort of really pulls your eye in and sort of breaks the text up and makes it easier to read. So just to explain a little bit more about icons, this is the type of thing I'm talking about. They're just black, fine, or they can be thick, they can be coloured. Actually, they can be like a variation. You can get a hand-drawn one. My preference is the monoline icon, which is pretty well anything with a finer black outline, and they're pretty simple. You can get illustrated versions, so if you click on this one, it's got the green color swatch comes up, so if you click that, you can change it to another color. This one, you can also do the same thing, make it whatever you like. So I'll just show you how I've used it. In these ones, these are just templates I've got for Instagram, and this was just talking about how you can use squares, and so I've popped in icons of squares, and then the swipe icon as well. That's just the hand on top of a circle. You can also use icons to, instead of saying all the time, save this, comment, like, you can say it, but the actual icons sort of make it, oh yeah, I will save that type of thing. So I'll just go back to the front and I'll show you how easy it is to find these icons. So to do that, you go to the Elements tab, and I'll just go back. And while it's all highlighted, I just go to the graphics, and then in the top of the suggestion, you just type in what you want. So I might ask for wine glass. So it's come up with quite a few graphics, but if I go monoline icon, it comes up, oh yeah, it does, it throws up a few more sort of probably more rigid, less hand-drawn icons. So I'll just move that one away. So you could have something like this, like a martini glass. And while you've got that highlighted, I just want to explain how you can make sure whether you've got a free or a paid for element. You can scroll across and go to the price and go drop down, click on the free, and it will only pull up free icons. But if you've used it in a template and thought, oh, I don't know, just go to, I'll just make it a bit bigger, the three little drop downs, go more, and then go right to the bottom. It says info, and then it says it's free, and it also gives you a few keywords. If it's a paid for item, it'll go pro Canva item. So that just explains what I've done there. So these are just some of the variations you can use. Honestly, the list is endless. You can go from business icons, you can go from nature, like something like the plant, something for Airbnb, like how many bathrooms does this listing have. You could talk about an idea, like clipboards. The different variations in clipboards is huge, like even a trolley for shopping bags to promote your shopping cart. So there is really a lot of usage for icons in designs. And as I said, with these templates, it just draws your eye in. So you could sort of look at 5 in the text, but then you're wondering what these squares are for, and then you might want to read the text. It just is like something that helps draw your eye into your content. So I hope that's helped you understand a bit more about icons.